AMRAP workout. AMRAP stands for as many rounds as possible. The exercises we are going to do is squat, clean and press, chest press. For each exercise we'll be doing 10 reps and then moving immediately to the next exercise. Okay, I will be using this body pump barbell and it has about 18 kilos on it. If you want a good warm-up, check the link in the description. Right into it. Do share after you finish the workout. Tell me how far you got, how many rounds are you able to do. Okay, and how much energy did you burn? Okay, let's go. High intensity, counting down. Let's go. First one, clean and press. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put it in the neck. Let's go. So for the squats, you make sure that the feet are shoulder width apart, so slightly facing forward. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's go down. Next one, we are going to chest press. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Let's come up. Clean and press, guys. Feet shoulder width apart. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. In the neck. Let's go squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. Chest press, guys. Let's go on the ground. The bar you're holding outside as far as you can. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you want, you can put it here. then the weight will bring you. Round 3, guys. It's going to be fire. It's fun. Let's go. Clean and press. Round 3. 2, 3. Make sure the back is straight because this is the deadlift. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the neck, let's go. Feet shoulder width apart. Keep your back straight. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh my God, I forgot. I just continued counting. Let's go down. Chest. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, guys, 4 rounds. Let's keep going. So if your bar is too heavy, you can reduce the weight, but the key is to just keep going, push yourself as much as you can. Let's go. Clean and press. Think round 3. I forgot the count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the neck, let's go. 10 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Now, guys, let's do the chest, and then we take a short break. It's almost halfway. We deserve a short break. Let's go. For the chest press, I noticed that when the legs are bent like this, the back is fully, or like this, the back has full contact with the ground. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Let's stand up. A short break, guys. So it's, yes, 1 minute break. Let's lighten up the pictures a little bit. Okay, a bit better. I'm starting to sweat. This means the combination is very nice. Wonderful. You can drink something. So at 10, we continue. Once we reach 10, we continue. This is infused water. Okay, let's go. Clean and press. So now the bar is shoulder width apart. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put it in the neck. Let's go. 10 squats. We got this, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. Chest press. As wide as you can. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Okay. Let's stand up, guys. I know for now, by now, your muscles are feeling it and the body is properly warmed up. Let's keep pushing. I will count the rounds afterwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The neck. So guys, if you want to match the workload I'm doing, when you feel like you're tired, you can push the pause. Let's go. 10 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. Chest press.
People fill you with doubt, just not thinking about what you're gonna do now. We only got one chance and got one life to live.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. We can put in one more round. Let's do 15. Actually, it's almost 15 minutes. Yes, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Tell me what you thought about this workout. AMRAP for 15 minutes. So, first exercise, clean and press. Second exercise, squat. Third exercise, chest press. So, I'm really feeling the pump, and I am so sure that in the coming days, I will be feeling the muscles that were doing the workout. Thank you so much. Welcome to, if it's your first time to Coach Remmy Fitness, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification. And if you happen to enjoy this workout, share with 1 or 2 people. You guys are the hero because you are the one helping me to get to your friends because you're sharing with them. Thank you so much. And as always, Coach Remmy here, bringing you fun and challenging workouts you can do from the comfort of your home or anywhere else that fits. Thank you so much, and see you in the next workout.